Ang tasa ni Lola, si Lola may ara nga tasa. Puti ang kolor sang tasa, kinainuman niya ini sang kape kada aga. Mainit ang kape, manamit imnon. Ginahugasan niya ini pagkatapos, ginbutang niya ini sa iya cabinet. So ang tasa ni Lola, so a tasa is a cup and Lola is grandmother, so grandmother's cup. So si Lola may ara nga tasa, may means there is or there are or have or has. So grandmother has a cup. Puti ang kolor sang tasa, so puti is white, color is color. So the color of the cup is white. Inuman niya ini sang kape, inom is like drink, and she uses this to drink coffee. Kada aga, like every morning. So kada is like every aga is morning. So every morning, mainit ang kape, mainit is hot. So the coffee is hot. Manamit imnon. Manamit is like delicious or tasty or good to drink. Ginahugasan niya ini pagkatapos. Hugas means to like clean or to wash. So she washes this after like drinking. Pagkatapos is after. Ginbutang niya ini sa iya cabinet. Butang is placed. So she placed this on her cabinet. Iya is his or her. A cabinet is a cabinet. So that's it. Ang tasa ni Lola, si Lola may ara tasa, puti ang kolor sini or puti ang kolor sang tasa. Ginainuman niya ini sang kape kada aga, mainit ang kape, manamit imnon, ginahugasan niya ini pagkatapos, ginbutang niya ini sa iya cabinet. So ang tasa ni Lola.